Hello, this is Dr. John from West Chase Wellness Chiropractic Center. We're going to do a wire strap on this patient right now. And this is the Houston Asian Dinger coming to you live here for that. Put the strap on for securing his neck and head and chin. And then we'll put this wire strap on him. And we're going to do a little nice tug on him. And basically you want to take out the traction a little bit and get the body, warm up the body a little bit before we do the contraction and tug. The really good at is kind of just get the body ready for that. And you want to do is just kind of just let the patient relax. They don't know when you're going to do it, and you do that, and they go, there we go. Thank you for watching.